YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. Look at our new potential toy. We're gonna have to do a little bit of work on it though, because the guy said that the motor is probably locked up on it. We'll have to tear this all out and get the radiator out. That way we can get in there and get a big wrench on it or something, and then in there, right there's a piece of the rings broke off of the flywheel, so that's not going to be very fun, but it'll get done. And then we gotta go through the fuel, and this thing will hopefully be a very useful piece of equipment.
So guys, we've finally bought a dozer. Hopefully it doesn't turn into being a money pit. Tracks are good, chains look pretty decent. We're pretty excited about it, and we're gonna see how this deal turns out. Gave $2,000 for it, and possibly the motor stuck, but we can get a rebuild kit for $850. So worst case scenario, if we have to rebuild the motor, it might not be the end of the world. We can get new pistons, jugs, rings, bearings, the whole 9 yards. So it'll have a good motor on it, but everything looks in decent shape. It belonged to an old farmer, and we're pretty excited. We can move a lot of dirt with this thing. It's a D4 size, so it's 15,000 pounds. Should be a good machine. So give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and some comments, and y'all have a blessed day.